Ben Knight was a young student teacher when he came to Situbellum Teto Primary in 1996 on an internship. Since then, his life has become intertwined with the lives of these pupils. He returns every couple of years and has started an initiative to help the school grow. As part of Project Zulu, the school's choir tours England. Last year, the group raised more than £20,000, enough to buy their school solar panels.
This is not a handout at all. Project Zulu is all about empowerment and empowering people to use the talents they have to obtain things they don't have. And these kids have the most fantastic musical talent. So really, I organised it, but they earned it.
The solar panels helped us to have electricity, and we do not stress about the electricity bill anymore. It is a process whereby the sun transfers energy to the solar panels and the solar panels brings light to us.
But the partnership between the school and Project Zulu entails more than just the solar panels. Over the past few years, the pupils' singing has earned them enough money to buy a small school bus, as well as set up a library and this computer center. Daniela van Heerden, Madadeni, KwaZulu-Natal.
You deserve to know more.
ENCA.com